If you've ever wanted to save a single moment from your video as an image, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to export a frame in CapCut quickly and easily so you can turn any part of your video into a still photo. This is super useful for thumbnails, social posts, reference images, or just saving the perfect moment from your edit. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple CapCut tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut and make sure your video is already added to the timeline. Now drag the playhead along the timeline and stop it exactly on the frame you want to export. This step matters because CapCut will capture the exact frame that the play cursor is sitting on, so take a second to line it up properly. If you need to be extra precise, you can zoom in on the timeline and use the preview window to find the exact moment you want. Once you've landed on the perfect frame, look to the top right corner of the video preview or player window. You'll see a menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click that menu to open the available options. From the drop-down list, find and click Export Still Frame. This is the feature that lets you save the current frame as a separate image instead of exporting the full video. After you click it, a dialog box will appear with export settings. Here you can choose the format or adjust any available options before saving. Take a quick look to make sure everything looks right, especially if you want the image saved in a specific way for your project. When you're ready, click the blue Export button. CapCut will then save that frame to your computer as an image file. Once the export is finished, you can open the saved photo and use it any way you want, whether that's in a thumbnail, a presentation, a post, or another editing project. And that's it. You've successfully exported a frame in CapCut. It's a really simple feature, but it can save you a lot of time when you need a clean, still image from your video. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more CapCut tutorials for beginners. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.